Alright, so in this video we're pretty much just gonna get the authenticated user's entire details. So what we wanna do is we wanna get the user details. And by doing that we put in the request, get the token, and instead of doing like this, we will basically just pass in the user. And that's it. So what we can do now is we can go inside our postman here and we can we should also create the route. So if we go in here in the route here, create this under me and then say user, and then if we go inside postman and just remove this to me, what we will then have, if the token is expired, of course this is because it's set to I think 60 minutes, but yeah, we can always change that if you want to do that. Alright, great. So we have the authenticated user's detail here. This is the function we are going to be using basically every single time the user refresh the page or log in or register a user. And the reason why is because we have the token which we then use to get in all of these details here. So that's actually all for this video. This is a really short video. So see you in the next video. So if you want to join my Discord channel, you can do that. The link will be in the description or right there in the picture. You will be able to contact me personally, get help and advice on the channel, or just post really awesome memes. So if you really want to join it, you should definitely do it. Again, the link will be in the description, and let's continue with the video.